Hey guys, it's Will from Canada Welding Supply. We're here at Fronius by popular demand to try out aluminum MIG welding on the TransSteel 2200. As you can see, for aluminum MIG welding, we're going to be using the aluminum drive rolls, as well as a universal liner from Fronius, and our Nexalloy 4043 wire. This is 3/64. With Fronius machines, it is a 3-step setup process. You select the wire type, the wire diameter, and the gas type, and you'll get a preset parameter to start out welding. Now I'll show you how to stack some dimes. As you can see, there is a TIG-like weld, TIG-like precision on these machines. For reference, I haven't welded in 3 years. As you can see, guys, it's that easy to get excellent results with this machine. 3 steps, and that's it. Hi, this is Will at Canada Welding Supply here at Fronius, Mississauga. Hey guys, happy Weld Wednesday. That's like such a dick thing to say.